Hi there, do you want a socket charger for your bike which is useful for using a tire inflator and also can be used as a on-the-go mobile charger for a Pillion 2. In Yezdi Adventure we have a mobile charger on the front. We can also use this as a on-the-go mobile charger. So these are the things you need. This is an inline fuse, must and should. This should be placed between the positive of the battery and the connector. These are the battery connectors. And this is a waterproof socket charger, 12 volts. These are the waterproof connectors. This is a sample connection, positive to inline fuse and goes to the battery, and negative to the battery negative or ground to close the circuit. So in order to know the right amount of length and the place, we have to remove the pillion seat. I chose to put the socket charger beneath the pillion seat as there is enough space for the car socket charger to be placed, and also used on the go for charging the mobile of the Pillion 2 or any other 12 volts appliances. So in order to know the length and connect, I have to remove the right side panel, both out exterior and interior, checking the required length. And coming to the battery here, always remove the negative terminal first. The whole chassis is ground, that is negative. You do not want to connect the positive to the ground, which results in a current overflow, that is called short circuit in the least resistance. So this is the place I choose for placing the car socket charger. Place the inline fuse as close to the battery. Please remember this step. Please choose to place the inline fuse close to the battery. This is how you connect. While connecting this inline fuse and this negative wire, please remove the fuse. After all completing the connection, then only place the inline fuse in the socket. So I'm checking the charge. Yes, it is working. And this is the final routing of my car socket charger in my motorcycle. That is a waterproof inline fuse, and this is a normal inline fuse. I will replace it later with waterproof. And this is the extension I added to the inline fuse wire. This need not be that heavy wire, but I used it. And I used a 15 amperes inline fuse, and this is the video for you again. So it is working good. Doing it in the right way is very good. You can place a switch, but there might be a least amount of discharge using this socket charger, so I negotiated it. So this is an example how you can use this as a mobile charger on the go. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe.